everybody, I'm Raksha, and in this video, I'll be talking about how do we auto generate DAX in Power BI. So, currently on my screen, you can see that I have some demo report, and in the demo report, I have opened this quick measure pane. And inside that, you shall see two options: one is the calculation, and other is suggestion. So, in most of the Power BI desktop, you shall see that this suggestion is disabled. How do we enable this? You have to make sure that two things are done. So the first thing is you have to go to your files, and then here you have to go to options and settings, then click on options, and once this opens up, you shall see that we have preview features right here. And inside the preview features, you have to make sure that this particular option, quick measure suggestions, is checked. This is one. Second is you have to make sure that whosoever is the admin of the organization, or in case if you are only the admin of your account, you have to make sure that you go into your admin account in the Power BI service over there, and when you click on this admin portal, you shall see that under tenant settings, you have this quick measure suggestions. So, what you have to do is you have to enable both the options which are inside here. So, I've clearly enabled both of it. And then what you have to do is you have to refresh your Power BI and then reboot your Power BI desktop. After you open up the Power BI desktop, you shall see that this suggestion is activated. So now, what is the use of this suggestion? I'll click on suggestion, and here it is clearly written that use natural language to describe the measure you need, like total sales for Canada this year. So this works exactly like question Q&A visual that we have. Uh, it's just the difference is that it will give you the DAX. So let me just say that I want to have total sales. Um, okay, give me the total sales. So I'll just hit on generate, and it will also give you some suggestions based on your data set. So with this you can see it will give you the measure here, measure equals to sum, and then you can use it directly in your report. So this will help you to increase your productivity and save your time. So I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.